Tell me honestly, would you believe that this dessert is completely vegan? Soft, creamy, rich, and today I'll show you how you can make it at home. Welcome to the channel where we create delicious vegan desserts together. Today we're making a very special treat, a vegan lambada dessert. And trust me, it's much easier to make than it looks. Let's start with the sponge. First, in a bowl we mix all the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder and vanilla. Then we move on to interesting vegan ingredient, aquafaba. This is the liquid from chickpeas that can be whipped just like egg whites. We add a little lemon juice to the aquafaba and start whipping it. Then we gradually add powdered sugar until we get a light, fluffy foam. Once it's ready, we gently fold it together with the dry ingredients so the mixture stays airy. Pour the batter into a baking pan that has been greased and dusted with flour. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 14 to 15 minutes. While the sponge is baking, we prepare the white cream. I recommended making it about an hour earlier because it needs time to cool. In a little milk, we mix starch, sugar and vanilla. When the milk in the saucepan starts to boil, remove it from the heat and pour in the starch mixture. Whisk well and return it to the stove. Cook the cream just like pudding, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. When the cream is cooked, I transfer it to another bowl so it cools faster and cover with a plastic wrap, so a skin doesn't form on top. When the sponge is baked, you can lightly soak it if you like. I soaked mine a little because we like juicier sponge cakes at home. In the original recipe, the sponge isn't soaked, but I personally prefer it this way. Now we prepare the orange layer. Pour the orange juice into a saucepan and bring it to heat. Save a little juice and mix it with 3 vanilla pudding powders and sugar. When the juice starts to boil, reduce the heat and slowly stir in the pudding mixture. Cook it just like pudding, stirring constantly until smooth. Pour the hot orange pudding over the baked sponge. Immediately place vegan biscuits on top of the orange layer. Before that, briefly dip them in milk so they soften slightly. While the orange layer cools, we continue with the white cream. First, whip the vegan whipping cream, then gradually add the cool white cream and mix until you get a smooth silky texture. Spread this cream evenly over the biscuits layer and smooth it out. Finally, we prepare the chocolate glaze. Heat the whipping cream in a small pot, but be careful not to let it boil. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate and stir until the chocolate melts completely and becomes smooth and glossy. Pour the glaze over the white cream and spread it evenly. Dessert, place it in the refrigerator, ideally overnight so all the flavors can come together. And the next day we get this beautiful, creamy, completely vegan lambada dessert. Simple to make but truly impressive on the table. If you tried the recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. If you enjoyed the video, support it with a like and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. See you next time.